Hello everyone, this is Lynn Cruz of Special Mothers Activities. Good morning po sa inyong lahat, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope everyone's doing well and keeping safe. Okay, so today po I'm going to show you yung binili ko sa Wish na mga ornaments. So, dumating na siya. So, let's open it. And mamaya, I'm gonna start doing another arrangement again. So, here it is. Okay, what's this? The scissors. Let's see. These are miniatures. Miniature ornaments. Okay. So this one, it's like a bench. These are the bench that I bought. I got 3 benches. See? Look at this. Look at this. Ang cute na. Those are so cute. Okay, ibang tatlong kulay pala sila. Okay, so maganda yung makikreate natin ngayon. And kaya itong isa ito. Wala nakalagay kasi Chinese character. So, lahat nga pala to, pati shipment, binayaran ko is $38. Okay. Yan. I think these are 4 din siya. 4 naman yung benches. 3. Ayan. Diba? So cute. Another one. And this one. Yan, magkakapit bahay sila. Nagawa tayo ng isang neighborhood. And this one. Mura na rin siya pati shipment. This is ano to? It's the table. Ang cute ng table, oh. Diba? Ang cute na. Cute. Meron pa isa. The chairs. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang gano'n siya kaganda. And this one. Ang ganda. I'm gonna have a garden table and the chair. Okay. Marami pala ako nabili. Parang nakalimutan ko na. Ang tagal din yung dumating. Almost a month. And let's see. Oh, okay. Is this a fence or arrow? You're gonna write down maybe the street number, the street name. Diba? Parang hindi ako nakikita. Ay, sorry. And, okay. And this one, let's see what's inside. Ganda naman yung packaging nila. What is this? Okay, another bench. Medyo social yung bench na to. Ang ganda. Kulang na lang tao. I don't know if I ordered or I bought. Yung uupo dyan na to. Okay, last na to. This is the last one. Diba? Ang cute. Ay, naku, gusto ng mga bata, no? Naglalaro ng ano. Ayun, may tao nga. Let's a boy and a girl. There's another bench. Maybe. Oh, okay. I remember this one. They're both, sitting on the bench. Like that. And that. I-glue. Maybe we're gonna glue it kasi meron silang binigay na extra, sa glue gun. Ayan, ganyan siguro. You're gonna glue them both. Cute, Okay, so that's all for now, or I'm gonna continue later. For the arrangement, I'm gonna work on this ornaments. So, I don't know if I'm gonna say bye or stick around. Okay, maybe bye muna, so I can just show it to you first, and then I'm gonna work on it. Okay, thank you so much for watching again this short video showing you my unboxing of the ornaments that I bought from Wish, and I think I can make a new arrangement, a good one, maybe this time. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell button, the bell button, so you can be notified when I have another new video. Okay, so thank you so much, and bye. Take care always, everyone. So here are the ornaments that I bought from Wish, and I'm excited to use them. And I hope you're all excited as well for this upcoming dish garden that I'm going to do. Okay, see you then.